Good afternoon. It's such a pleasure. You guys you look absolutely amazing. And thank you, Desh, for this opportunity. You know, we get so busy and caught up in months roll by. And, you know, to have this to honor our ladies at our FMGH Group, who are the backbone really of this business. I got into the business almost 23 years ago. Some of my mentors were ladies.
Oh, wow.
You know, and from a sales marketing perspective, they've always been a force in the industry. You know, their emotional intelligence, the way they apply themselves, the way they take care of customers, not forceful on anything. You've got to understand, in this business, women have a massive amount of purchasing power, and they're also the decision makers in the home. And being able to have ladies that have come into the industry and really taken the bull by the horns is what's grown this automotive industry. With Volvo, we're really forward thinking, and if you look at our designers, you look at our team, many of them are women. And that's why the brand is really, if you look in the past 10 years, has grown by leaps and bounds. So once again, I really, and especially my ladies who have been with me for, you know, nearly 16, 17, 20 years. So I always, you know, it's never been staff. I always look at it as these are families that this business looks after. And Odell I give Odell probably the worst time, but she's been with me from day one. Deza has come over from McCarthy's with me, Letitia as well. Without them, we wouldn't have what you see today. So, thank you. If I don't get to say it, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Fawn. Thank you so much for having us. Please may you have a seat.